In this video, we are going to understand the solution of the sample paper by CBSE. Hello, my awesome students. Welcome to Akshar Vidyalaya. I am Nana and I make videos related to NCERT solutions for classes 9 to 12th. So let us start solving from the very first question of the standard sample paper which is being uploaded by the CBSE. So what is the first question says? First question says that find the value of A25 minus A15 for the AP 6, 9, 12 and 15. And this question comes under section A, which is of 2 marks. So internal choice is given to you that either you can solve this question or you can solve this question also. Okay, so we will solve both the questions in this video. So how to find out A25 minus A15? So from this AP, I have told you that how to find out the value of A. A is what? A is the very first term of the AP, and then coming to the common difference. Common difference is what? Common difference is when the first term is being subtracted from the second term, then this is called as common difference. So D is equal to what? D will be equal to 3, right? So now I have to find out the value of A25 minus A15. So you can directly write it down like this, that A25 is what? A25 is A plus 24D. How? Because we know that AN is given by the formula A plus N minus 1 into D, and this time my N is 25. So if N is 25, then my equation will reduce to 25 minus 1 will become equal to 24D. Okay, then this minus sign, and 15, because of 15 it will become A plus 14D. Now when I am going to open this minus sign bracket, then this A will become negative and this positive will also become negative, and it will be minus 14D. Okay, then A and A will get cancelled out. Then this will become 24D minus 14D. It will be equal to 10D. So now put the value of the D. D is what? D is my 3. So my answer will be 10 into 3 is equal to 30. Easy one. So coming to the OR part, what does the statement says? If the 7 times the 7th term of AP, 7th term of AP is what? This is A7. 7 times of this, 7 times means if I am going to multiply my 7th term by 7, then this is equal to 5 times the 5th term. This is equal to 5 times the 5th term. So 5th term is what? 5th term is my A5, and 5 times means I am to multiply this by 5. Then what I have to find out? I have to find out the value of the 12th term. So A12 I have to find out, and with the formula A12 will be what? A12 will be equal to A plus 11D. So basically I need the value of A and D to find out the value of A12. Okay, so let's solve this part from where we will be able to find out the value of A and D. So 7 into A7 will be what? A7 will be equal to A plus 6D, and here also it will be 5 into A plus 4D, right? So now let's open the bracket. 7 into A will be 7A plus 7 into 6 will be 42D. This will be 5A plus this will be 5 4s the 20D. Okay, so this 5A is being added here. When it will come to the left hand side, so it will get subtracted. So 7A minus 5A is equal to 20D minus, this is positive. When it will go to the right hand side, it will become negative, which is equal to minus 42D. So 7A minus 5A will become equal to 2A, and this 20 minus 42 will become equal to minus 22D. So this 2 is multiplied here. When it will go to the right hand side, it will be divided. So it will become A is equal to minus 11D. Okay, so now put the value of A in this equation. A12 is equal to A plus 11D. So A is what? A is my minus 11D plus 11D. So both the terms are same and they are having the opposite sign, so that means they will get cancelled out and the answer will be equal to 0. That means the 12th term of this AP will be equal to 0. Next, second question of section A, which is also of 2 marks. The question says that find the value of m so that the quadratic equation this has 2 equal roots. So quadratic equation is what? This is mx into 5x minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, so they are saying that this equation has 2 equal roots. Equal roots means I have told you one condition when we were discussing about the quadratic equation chapter, that is equal to 0. So when d is equal to 0, then the equal roots will exist, right? So what is given to us? That this quadratic equation has 2 equal roots. That means d is equal to 0. Okay, so how to find out the value of d? Let's solve this bracket first. Mx into 5x will be equal to 5mx square. Then this mx will be multiplied by minus 6. It will be minus 6mx. Okay, so now we can compare with our standard form of equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. If I am going to compare my values, then a will be equal to 5m, b will be equal to minus 6m, and c will be equal to 0 because no constant value is given to us. And now we have to find out the value of d, which is equal to under root of b square minus 4ac. So d will be equal to 0 because they are asking about that the two roots are equal to each other. So b is minus 6m square minus 4a. A is what? A is my 5m into c is what? C is my 0. So let's solve it out. Then we will get minus square will become positive value, 6 square will be 36, and this will be m square, and because of this 0 all my term will become equal to 0. Okay, so now 0 will be equal to 36 square. Under root of 36 is 6, and the under root of m square is m. So that means that this 6 is being multiplied here. When it will go to the left hand side, then it will be divided, so my m will be equal to 0. So that means for the value of 0, if m is 0, then this equation will have 2 equal roots. Okay, so see, m is coming as equal to 0, but if I am going to put the value of m equal to 0 in my equation, then my equation will not be a quadratic equation. Mx into 5x minus 6 is equal to 0. If I am going to put value 0 here, 0 into x into 5x minus 6 will be equal to 0. So this complete part, due to multiplication, it will become equal to 0. So that means my equation will not be a quadratic equation. So that means in the exam, do not get panic that you are getting the wrong answer. No, your answer is correct, but the given statement is wrong. So you will get complete full marks for such type of questions if the statement is given wrong to you. But the method to follow to find out the two equal roots, to find out the value of m if two equal roots are given to you, is this much only. So you have to follow this process only, whatever is the statement given to you. So you can write down at the end of this equation that by putting the value of m is equal to 0, equation will not be a quadratic equation. Okay, so you will get complete full marks of such type of question because the statement is not correct, right? So coming to question number 3. Question number 3 says that from a point P two tangents PA and PB are drawn to a circle C 0, R from a point C. If OP is equal to 2R, if this OP is given to us equal to 2R, then we have to find out the value of angle APB. Angle APB we have to find out, and we have to tell that what type of triangle APB is. So we have to tell that what is the type of the triangle, whether it is an equilateral triangle, whether it is an isosceles triangle, or whether it is a right angle triangle. Okay, so now how we can find out this thing, right? So let's start solving this question. So understand this question step by step very carefully. So in the chapter we have learned that radius is perpendicular to the tangent. So since OP is perpendicular to AP, because you can write down the reason, because the radius is always perpendicular to the tangent. Okay, so OP is perpendicular to AP, so that means my angle OAP is equal to 90 degree. Okay, similarly we can say that OB is perpendicular to BP, so therefore radius is perpendicular to the tangent, so that means this angle OBP is also equal to 90 degree. So this angle is also of 90 and this angle is also of 90 degree. So now in this triangle, OAP, we can use the trigonometric ratios, that PBPHHB. What is given to us? This will be, if this angle is of 90 degree, then this will be what? This will be my hypotenuse, and this will be my perpendicular. Sine, this is cos, and this is tangent. So I can say that sine theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse, and perpendicular is what? Perpendicular is my r divided by hypotenuse is my 2r. So r and r will get cancelled out, it will be equal to 1 by 2. So from trigonometric table, which is the value of the angle where sine theta is equal to 1 by 2. So theta is equal to 30 degrees, so that means my this angle will be equal to 30 degree. So if this angle is 30 degree, then this angle will also be equal to the 30 degree, because we know that this line is dividing the complete angle APB in two equal parts, because angle APB is equal to angle APO plus angle BPO, right? And both the angles are equal to each other, so it will become 2 times of angle APO, and this angle we have find out is 30 degree. So this complete angle will be equal to 60 degree. So this complete angle is of equal to 60 degree. Okay, what we have to find out is the value of angle APB. Okay, so this is coming as 60 degree, and what are the two remaining angles? This small part and this small part. In this triangle we have to also tell one more part now, that what is the type of the triangle APB. This is coming as APB, so this angle is of 60 degree, and the two remaining angles we have to find out, so that we can tell them that what is the type of this triangle. Okay, so now we know that these are the two tangents to the circle from a common point. So the tangents from a common point to the circle are equal in length, that means PA is equal to PB. If the sides of the triangles are equal, then their opposite angles are also equal. So suppose this is angle 1, this is angle 2, and this complete angle APB is angle 3. So that means my angle 1 will be equal to angle 2. Now in triangle, using the property of triangle sum property, in triangle APB, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 will be equal to 180 degree. So this is also 1 and this is also 1 plus angle 3. Angle 3 we have find out, this is equal to 60 degree is equal to 180 degree. 1 plus 1 will become 2 times of angle 1 plus 60 degree is equal to 180 degree. So this 60 is added here, it will go to the right hand side, it will be subtracted. So 180 minus 160 will be equal to 120. So my angle 1 will be equal to 60 degree. Okay, if angle 1 is 60 degrees, so that means that my angle 6 will be equal to so my angle 2 will be also equal to 60 degree. This is also 60, this is also 60, this is also 60. So that means my triangle is what? My triangle is a equilateral triangle. Okay, so see, these are the some big questions related to the marks. Means this question is only of 2 marks, but it is going to take your more time as compared to the other 2 questions which we have solved. Okay, now moving to question number 4. Question number 4 says that the curved surface area of the right circular cone is, curved surface area of the cone is given to us equal to 12320 centimeter square if the radius of its base is 56 centimeter. Radius is given to us equal to 56 centimeter. Then we have to find out the height of the cone. This height we have to find out. So how we can find out? This is again the simple question that the curved surface area of the cone is given by pi r L. So this will be the calculative part question. 12320 is equal to pi is what? Pi is 22 by 7. Radius is 56 and this will be L. And this will get cancelled out at 8. So my answer will be 12320 is divided by 22 into 8 is equal to L. So after solving this calculative part, my L will be equal to 70 centimeter. So now we know that L is what? L is this slant height of the cone which is equal to 70 centimeter. L is my 70 is equal to under root of h square we have to find out, and R is what? R is my 56 square. So now if we will do square, if we will take square on both the sides, then this square will get cancelled out and this square and under root will get cancelled out. So I will get h square plus 56 square. So 70 square is 4900 is equal to h square plus 56 square. So these type of questions are just to check your calculative part, that how much strong is your calculative part and how fast you can do the calculation. Okay, so 56 square is what? This is 3136, and if I am going to do subtraction, then I will get 1764 and my height will be equal to 42, not 42, it will be 42 centimeter. So make a practice, make a habit that whenever you are going to solve the question, then you write the unit with it also, so that you do not forget to write down the unit in your exam. Okay, if you find my video useful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel so that you can get more updates of my new videos. So let's meet in the next video in which we are going to solve remaining questions of the sample paper. Till then, take care and bye bye.